Hello, loan servicing soft users. I have a new feature, relatively new feature I'd like to show you. It's the ability to process on-the-fly one-time payments via credit card or ACH. And this is a relatively new feature. A lot of people don't know about it. In order to do the credit card or debit card, you do have to be set up with authorize.net. In order to do the one-time ACH, you need to be set up with authorize.net as well. You can do your batch ACH cycles, your batch ACH process, where the system generates a notcha file, which is a batch of payments, and you upload that to your bank or whoever your clearinghouse processor is. This is different than that. This is a one-time ACH, and we only do the one-time method through authorize.net. So anyway, so here we are in the software. Let's pretend like one of my borrowers called up and said, I want to go ahead and make a one-time last-minute credit card, debit card, or ACH, or one-time bank draft, e-check payment. And I'm going to pull them up, right? So I've pulled up this loan C-9 Mr. Rental Prop, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to hit enter new payment, and it pops up here. And as you can see, we're on scheduled payment number 1. The way I process the payment, enter the payment in, is normal and is a separate process. What I'm going to show you here is the ability to press this button here. Once I process the payment, I am going to have to come back and enter the payment once it's been successfully processed. So let's see, I'm going to press this button here, and this is going to pop up. And I can either select credit card or ACH. Now, if I select ACH, it's going to go grab. We already have the borrower's account number and routing number, and all the details we need for ACH. Or we can enter a different account here, okay? Or we can do credit card or debit card. And this is a PCI compliant solution. So now if you're doing ACH, we store the account number and routing number inside our software because we're allowed to by the overall industry. But if we're doing a one-time card, we're subject to PCI rules and regs, and we are not allowed to store credit card information in our system. The credit card companies don't like us or you doing that. They want to hold the credit card information, and you initiate the payment, and it goes through. In this case, it's authorize.net's server. So if I was doing a credit card, now you can this interface here interacts with authorize.net. So you get signed up with authorize.net. You could have cards already entered already set up at authorize.net. This screen would reach out to the authorize.net server if you had cards already set up, and they'd be here, and you'd select which one you wanted to use. In this case, we're going to go ahead and pretend like we're putting a brand new card number, and it's going to let you put the number in. It's going to use it one time, and then it's going to discard the card number and all the information. So yeah, so we either initiate the one-time ACH EFT bank draft, e-check, some people will call it. It's all the same thing. You're using the borrower's account number and routing number, whether it's checking or savings, and you're doing a one-time ACH. Or you're doing a card, and again, it's standard 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and the expire and the secret code, right? And you process the payment. Authorize.net we'll process the payment directly into your merchant account. And once you're done with that, then you're going to come back. You're going to hit process payment. And once that's done, then you're going to enter the payment into the system with the correct date, and there's a lot of details here, most of which are defaulted, but you might want to change things a bit, perhaps waive a late fee, right? So anyway, so this is standard functionality within our system. There's no module to purchase or anything like that. You have to be signed up for a loan servicing. But there's nothing to sign up for here if you have loan servicing, and if this is of interest, reach out to our support tech group, and they'll show you how to get signed up with authorized.net, and we'll help you get set up. If you have any questions, anything at all, you can either call us at 800-993-1839, extension 2 for the support group, or support@loanservicingsoft.com. Thank you.